Hi family, my name is Laura Maluhi. I'm the listing agent of the company and welcome back to another video. In this episode, we're gonna do a full home tour of Terra. This home is 3,900 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms with a bonus space and not to mention an incredibly cool, super awesome pool. So without further ado, let's get started.
My name is Amber Maluhi. I am the Director of Design at Crown Heritage Homes. I do the interior design work along with the other members of our design team, and we come up with the floor plans, the selections such as the tile, cabinetry, and pretty much everything it takes to make a home beautiful. Terra is a Latin word for earth. So we wanted to bring in the 4 different elements of our planet into this home: water, earth, fire, and air.
There's a walkway of cement around the entire perimeter of the home. Obviously, it's very convenient so that you can walk around every square foot of your exterior, but in addition, this better protects your foundation. We did post-tension foundation to give this home a higher structural integrity, but in addition to that, we built this cement walkway to help keep water away from your foundation.
We wanted our selections to pair very harmoniously in order to tell the storyline, which is the story of Mother Earth. The moment you walk through the door, we wanted to evoke a feeling of peace and tranquility.
So to welcome you into your home, we created this elegant private courtyard. As you'll notice from your courtyard entrance, you have these 8-foot iron courtyard doors with frosted glass panels to give you privacy in this courtyard space.
This floor plan is so unique because you can see any part of the home no matter where you are. We centered the home around the pool because we wanted that to be the main focal point of the home. We also wanted to bring attention to the gorgeous view of the pecan trees in the backyard. So we wanted to go ahead and do very large windows and sliding glass doors throughout the home in order to help flood the home with a ton of natural light.
The intention with this home is that we wanted to incorporate water, fire, earth, and air elements all throughout. So right when you walk in, you're greeted by this beautiful pool with a fire pit, a water feature, and this open, airy floor plan to help make you feel right at home.
My favorite part of the home is probably the kitchen. The green countertops really bring in that earthiness, and even though it's green, it's not too loud. There's also a lot of symbolism, if you can find it, in the kitchen with the brown cabinets and the green countertops. Kind of symbolizes trees, and we have trees in the backyard.
Here, you have your kitchen. You have this quartz countertop with this beautiful natural look, in addition to 10-foot high cabinetry in your kitchen space. Here in your kitchen, you also have GE Café line appliances. In addition, you have a convection oven and a convection microwave. Throughout the home, you'll see that we did light fixtures that are gonna be simple and elegant. That's because we believe that simplicity is the ultimate form of elegance. With homes of this caliber, it's really easy and it's very common to see builders put a bunch of different embellishments throughout the home. But we really wanted this home to be in style even 10, 20, 30 years down the line. This pantry will serve as a great serving space for when you're entertaining. You can lay the food out in here. You could get your prep, your catering work done here. You also have a sink to cook your veggies, not to mention a built-in wine cooler to help keep your beverages chilled.
We really spent a ton of time walking through the home and making sure that, this was a home that's fit for, a family who plans on living here for many, many years and is built very sturdy and who really appreciates attention to detail.
Here in your great room, you'll notice that you have 12-foot high ceilings in your living space, kitchen space, and dining space. All of the furniture in this home was provided to us by Copenhagen Furniture. Huge shout out to them. They have amazing, amazing furniture products. You can see that we paid extra close attention to this fireplace design. This fireplace is a 72-inch gas fireplace because we really wanted to encapsulate that natural fire feature. So you have a 72-inch gas fireplace with oversized porcelain tile to help give it a grand look. And the last part that we'll touch on in this great space is this beautiful design that you have between your dining room and your living space. As you can see, these wood planks are from the floor to the ceiling. In addition, you'll notice that there's no metal plating on the bottom or on the ceiling. That's because we had a special carpenter come to design them this way so that it looks like these wood planks were almost seamlessly inserted into this space. We made it this way so we can give more of an organic feel and that you have some definition from your dining space to your entertainment space, but it's still open because you have the slat design. And now that we went over your entertainment space, we could head into your backyard. As you'll notice, the same 48-inch porcelain tile was carried from the interior to the exterior of your home. That's because we really wanted to encapsulate that seamless indoor-outdoor feel. Here in your outdoor space, you have a outdoor kitchen with a grill, a sink, and a beverage cooler. In addition, you have a space for a TV so you can watch a football game or your favorite sports game when you have your family or friends over. And even though we wanted to keep this area simple and elegant, we also incorporated this oversized porcelain tile with this nice design to help add some more character to the space. Here you have the creme de la creme of the home, which is the beautiful backyard space. As you can see, you have this beautiful pool with a spa, an awesome water feature, and a beautiful fire pit to help give you all the elements in this outdoor space. So typically with homes, you'll see that the pool equipment is kind of off to the side. It looks a little dusty and not the prettiest thing you'll ever see, but it's just off to the side and that's what's expected. So as you'll notice, your pool equipment is actually enclosed with a rock wall to help make it look more beautiful here on the side of your home instead of just having it out. And in addition to that, we have an iron courtyard gate to lead you into your pool equipment area that actually matches the courtyard gate, primary bathroom, and on the side gates of your home. We have the beautiful dining space where we can see this oversized floor to ceiling cement-like tile. We incorporate this tile to help give this dining space some more character and to help give it a more grand look. In addition, you have a wine vault here with these floating wine racks on the back with LED lighting. And you have a glass encasement around the wine vault to help give it an elegant look. We also incorporated this cabinetry here that's actually also a high shine black finish to match your wine racks.
Our attention to detail is on another level, and I think our customers, that's something our customers always note to us. Because again, we can't really say we've ever worked with any other builders, so we don't exactly know how they operate. But the one feedback we get constantly is how much attention to detail that we put. And I really credit that to my mom. She's someone who's extremely detail oriented, and I think it pays off because I do think there's a lot of people that really appreciate that, and you definitely can see it in all of our homes.
For this home, we were really intentional about the details. So one of those details is that you can see even just in this space, the wall outlets and the light switches are in a gray finish to help make it a more seamless design. And they're also screwless to help make it look more modern. Next, we can go into another asset of your home, which is your attached guest suite. You have a beautiful bedroom. We staged this bedroom as kind of like a Zen room, but this can also surface as a wellness space, a meditation room, or even just a normal bedroom. In addition, it has a second living space. We staged this home as kind of like a living area, another place for the kids to watch TV, maybe have some popcorn. But because you have a private entrance, all tile throughout, a kitchenette, And you have these 7-foot tall windows. This would also be a great space for an office. You could let your clients come in and out, maybe a podcast studio, whatever it may be, the possibilities in this room are endless. You'll notice your kitchenette has floating shelves, a beautiful quartz countertop, a sink, a microwave, a wine cooler, those same outlets that I was telling you guys about earlier. And you'll see that you have this beautiful tile design that still gives it a monochromatic look, but it has a little bit of texture to add some more personality to the space. Not to mention surround sound speakers and a beautiful floating ceiling design with LED lighting to help add to the overall ambiance of your bonus room. Next, we come into the other wing of your home where you'll find your other bedrooms and your primary suite. As you'll notice in your hallway, you have these oversized 7-foot Milgard windows so that you can see your beautiful pool as you walk into your primary bedroom. And here we are in your primary bedroom. So in your primary bedroom, you right when you walk in, the first thing that catches your eye is this floor to ceiling concave light wood wall design. We wanted to give this area also an organic look, so we incorporated this light wood cladding. And you'll also notice that you also have a sliding door here to help add to the overall indoor-outdoor living of your home. So when you wake up in the morning, you can just jump in your pool and get your day started. Next, we have an 8-foot barn door with a frosted one light glass panel to lead you into your primary spa. Here in your primary bathroom, you'll notice that you have a monochromatic design so your eye isn't overly stimulated and it kind of just rolls and feels soothed when it's in its primary spot. So as you can see, we have a neutral monochromatic color palette. You'll also notice that we included LED lights underneath your floating vanities and behind your floating vanity mirrors. In addition, you have a 6-foot freestanding soaking tub, and you have a beautiful glass shower design. This is a 3/8 of an inch glass, which is a more expensive glass because it's a higher quality. And you also have an overhead rainfall shower head, and we didn't stop there. Not to mention, you also have a floating bench. This bench was actually a little costly to install because you actually need steel rods in order for it to support the weight. So we put this floating bench design, and we also added LED lighting underneath to help give it more of a designer look. Next, in your primary bathroom, to add to the overall indoor-outdoor integration of the home, we also added this little courtyard. As you can see, the walls in this courtyard are high, so it's private. You don't feel like your neighbors are gonna be looking at you in the morning. But we incorporated this beautiful water feature, tile flooring, a gate for privacy, and this is the perfect space for when you wake up in the morning and you wanna have your little coffee, your little cafecito, maybe read your book, and kind of just de-stress after a long day. This is the perfect place to do it. You have this beautiful built-in makeup space. So as you can see in this makeup space, we did this double-edged thick quartz countertop, and we gave it a waterfall design because why not? This is a perfect space to do your makeup or your hair in the morning. In addition, we have this mirror that actually comes down from the ceiling. And you have that same decorative tile back here to help give it a more grand look. Lastly, in your primary bathroom, you have your extremely ample primary closet space. Here in your closet space, you have this custom built-in cabinetry with custom-made drawers and shelving for all of your purses, shoes, and jewelry items. And now we head to the exterior of your home. So we really wanted the curb, not just the interior, but also the curb appeal of this home to be completely unique and one of a kind in the El Paso area. So as you can see, this home is a 3-car garage, and for your garage doors, as you can see, even though it has glass panels, they're frosted so that you have privacy, so that you don't have anybody looking into your garage space. In addition, we searched high and low to find this beautiful wood-like planks. But these wood-like planks are actually made of metal paneling. So the maintenance on these planks are extremely low maintenance versus having wood-like materials in the El Paso market. The heat and the dryness can eat it up, but no, not this material. We searched far and wide to find a wood-like material that's completely low maintenance to help make you add to the overall enjoyment of your home. We also have a black metal paneling over your courtyard. You have this stone-like material to greet you into your courtyard space. And lastly, you have this oversized porcelain tile to add to the overall natural textures of the exterior. The last item that we'll touch on in the front of your home is this beautiful landscaping. We wanted to keep it also minimal and in line with the overall theme of the home. So as you'll see, you have these desert plants, in addition to this kind of river-like rock design to help portray the water element that you'll also see throughout the interior of your home. A little detail that we did is we also did these 4-inch recessed lighting throughout the entire space of your home. Even though these lights are more expensive than your typical disc lights, which for those of you that don't know, the disc lights are the ones that are typically used by builders that bulge out of the ceiling. These 4-inch recessed lights are completely seamless and in line with the $1 million homes you'll see in Vegas, Miami, California. So even though they were more expensive, we really wanted to integrate them throughout this home. And as you all know, for Crown Heritage, design is really important to us. After a long day at work, we really want you to come home and relax in a beautiful home. But even more important than that, we want you to have a quality built home. So as you all have seen through the journey of creating this parade home, this home has 2x6 exterior wall studs compared to your typical 2x4, which gives you thicker walls and more room for insulation. This home has foam insulation throughout all of the walls, garage, and ceiling of your home, making this home extremely energy efficient. And lastly, in terms of the durability of your build, this home has complete OSB sheathing, which is oriented strand board, not just on the corners to brace your home, but around the entire surface area of your build. Thank you guys so much for going through this home tour of Terra. We hope you all enjoyed this home tour. What did you think? What was your favorite thing? What would you like us to do differently for our next parade home? We would love to know in the comments below. Additionally, don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with a friend who you think would love this home. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.